I see the I don't know which one, but it looks the same. Indomie and also MiSEDAP noodle side by side, like no different, right? So yeah, so we with the hot water, so I will wait for a few minutes. Okay, I had ready both noodle. I had simmer in hot water like few minutes. So let's do the mie goreng first. Mie goreng Indomie. Okay, Indomie mie goreng. Yeah, there's a four what you call this? Sauces? Oh no, I think this one first. Like the MiSEDAP is got five. This one four. So I'm going to cut everything together. The vegetable oil and also the soy sauce. Okay. I'd say here bumbu sauce and also chili. Okay. And to the other side, which is the MiSEDAP. Okay. Oopsie. If there's a 4 for this Indomie, there's 5 here. The extra thing is there's bawang goreng. I think, yeah, the MiSEDAP is actually looks more premium. That's why the price is a bit more higher. Just a little bit. Put everything together. The problem is there's a sentiment here which I can't really pull out. This one is fine, but this sentiment I can't pull out. I guess that is actually the one who will make this noodle tasty and so good. Okay, this is seasoning, and the last one, bawang goreng. Kriuk goreng ya. Bawang goreng or the shallot, fried shallot. So now let's mix and see. Of course, obviously the MiSEDAP looks more better because there's what we call it, the fried shallot. Bawang goreng. Okay. Oopsie. This is how to mix. Okay, this one looks like besar sikit ni, macam banyak kawan juga. Okay, this one. Okay, the Indomie done. Now let's do the MiSEDAP. Sorry for my hand. Definitely not to spill, because yeah, my table is right. But who cares? Oh, the mixing takes a little bit longer. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, now from the bare eyes, it is the same between MiSEDAP and also Indomie. But the the taste. I'm gonna try the Indomie first. Allahumma barik lana fi ma razaqtana. Okay. This soy sauce much. Taste the like a fried, smelly like that. Fried smell, not smelly. Fried smell. Like, it's a good smell. Soy sauce, a bit salty. And now I'm gonna try the MiSEDAP. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Different. This one got a bit like sugar because of the chili sauce. Because this one Indomie no chili sauce, but MiSEDAP came with the like chili sauce. So the chili sauce got some sugar. So there's a bit sweetness. So for those who like a pure fried noodle, then you go to with this Indomie. But if you like something like not really that spicy, it's not spicy, but you know there's people who like some sugar on their spicy food. So this is the kind MiSEDAP. Because to tell you frankly, previously I taste both, but I think it's just the same. But now when we do comparison between both side by side, now I know the difference. Okay, so yeah, for me, if you ask me which one I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna choose the MiSEDAP because it's a premium and also got the extra thing. So you get extra, but if you are economy compact, then you get this one. And if you are creative people like me, like with this, you can add on something and then you make it more better food. Then you go for the Indomie. Then you will add on and everything because it looks better. I mean, it tastes better. But this one, when you add on more, it will taste maybe funny a bit. All right. So thank you very much for watching, and have a nice have a nice noodle for you. Bye bye.